Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example, in the messages or in notes, whatever you want to actually. And all we have to do right now, if we've got the keyboard on the screen, is to simply tap on this settings icon. If for some reason the settings are not visible here, no worries. Three dots icon, tap on got it, and the settings will appear right here. You can tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this section to have much faster access to them. So let's enter the settings, as I said, and now let's tap on the languages, which should be at the very top, and here we've got the list of all previously applied languages and layouts. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all let's say installed languages, layouts from which we can choose. So we've got quite a lot of them. So basically all you have to do is to simply find it and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, Urdu. Let's tap, and of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So just tap on it. And here we've been transferred to the keyboard types, and again, depending on the language, sometimes you will be able to only pick one of the types, or even up to 5. In my case, in Urdu language, we've got 3 different options. We've got the handwriting, we've got the Urdu itself, and we've got the Arabic keyboard, which will be translated to the Urdu letters, let's say. So let's say that my personal preference is this one. So all we have to do is to simply mark it and untick this option. Of course, as you can see, you can apply 2 different keyboards if you want to. It's up to you. And simply tap on done if you are ready. The Urdu language has been applied, so now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically, at least for this moment, we've got only one difference, and it is this icon, which is a globe icon, a language key, and it will allow us to change the language. So right now, let's pretend that I'm typing English, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. And here we've got another difference, the second difference, the spacebar. As you can see, right now it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So right now we've got the Urdu, and after tapping on the globe icon, we can see that on the spacebar we've got the English one. So basically, this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and tap on the edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we would like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. Now let's go back, and as you can see, we've got only English left. We do not have the globe icon, and the spacebar is empty, which simply of course means that we can type only in English. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.